Do you want to know how you potentially can earn more than $100 per task with Intuit User Research? And do you want to know if it's even worth your time? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and recently I came across this platform and decided to take a closer look. And in this Intuit User Research review, I will show you all the details you need to know to find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join this user testing platform, because as you can see, they clearly describe here on the website, they say that you can be anywhere in the world. They have offices, you see, in Australia, Canada, France, India, Israel, UK, and across the US, but you can be in any country because all sessions are currently being done remotely. So this means you can actually join from any country. However, just be aware here, they say, who are we looking for? So they are looking for small business owners, self-employed workers, accountants, and those who pay bills and taxes. So you don't have to be a customer of their products, but you do need to have some kind of background as they describe here, because Intuit is doing user research about their own products that they own. You can see them here at the top. There's TurboTax there. They have MailChimp, for example, Credit Karma, all these different ones here. So if you're using any of those, then you can help improving there, but you don't have to use them as long as you have, some kind of background like this that they are explaining here. So if you live up to these criteria here, then let's talk about how you can participate and how much you potentially can earn. So if you decide to become a member of Intuit User Research, then you need to first of all just go to the website there and create your profile. And here you will then be taken through kind of a chat where you need to fill out different questions here. It has quite a few different forms you need to fill out: first name, last name, address, all kind of different things, some questions about your background, but it kind of is like a chat. You're just replying to your questions here. It's basically you like filling out your profile like you would on any user testing platform that you might have joined before. It takes maybe 10 minutes or so to go through here. There are different forms, as I mentioned. You first finish one, then you go through there, and then at the end you will see a screenshot that says that you will be contacted when there are available opportunities. So I'll just jump to my website here where I took a screenshot. I have this in a full written Intuit User Research review. I'll also leave a link to that below, so then you can go then see that this is the screenshot, because I took that when I actually went through it there. And you say your profile has been successfully created, and then if there is an upcoming research that match you, then they will contact you. So this is important to understand, that it doesn't work like many other user testing platforms where there's a member area where you can apply for the different available projects. So here you don't have a member area. You just give them your email, your profile information, and then they will contact you when there might be a test. But there's no guarantee when there will be something you can participate in or how often it will be. But let's talk about that a little bit more, like the overall earning potential and also what you can get paid per project. So when it comes to earning, then they don't have any examples or information on the website itself that shows how much you can earn. But from talking to other people that also used it for a while and from doing a lot more research, I have found out that it is possible for some of the projects to earn maybe even more than $100 per task sometimes. But this will of course be for the more involved studies. This can be like focus groups, for example, or interviews or longer studies. There are also sometimes like smaller surveys. They might give a few dollars here and there. But overall, the challenge here is that there's not a huge amount of projects you can participate in, because the user research here is only about Intuit's own projects or products, you can say. So that's where it's limited compared to many other user testing platforms that have clients from different companies and things like that. Here it's their own company, so it's only their products that you can participate in research about, giving feedback about. So of course the tasks and the earning potential thereby will also be limited. But how can you then get paid if you decide to do this, and if you end up qualifying for some tests? Let's also talk about that. So they also write on the website here that you will get rewarded for your time with a digital gift card. So whenever you have finished a survey, a project, whatever you participate in, then you will get a digital gift card. But this can sometimes also be, for example, a prepaid Visa. But in general, this is the way they pay. So they won't always pay you in cash. Sometimes it will be a gift card, but you will know this before you participate. In the email they send, They will send the information and they will tell you how much you will get paid, how you will get paid, and then you can decide yourself, depending on the project and the rewards and all that, whether you want to participate in that or not. So to sum it all up, Intuit User Research is a legit platform. It can be a way to earn money by participating in user research. And sometimes you can earn quite nice money for participating. But it is quite limited in the sense that it's only their own products that you can give feedback about. So there's not that many tasks you can do. But as an extra side, if you have the background they're looking for, then it can be worth considering as a way to earn a bit extra. But I would definitely recommend you also use other user testing platforms to get access to more different tests, because on many user testing platforms you don't need a particular background or anything like that to participate. So that's definitely something that can be worth considering also. I will leave a link below to a list I have on my website about the best user testing platforms. I also have a list of the best online focus groups, so then you can check that out and sign up for more options to get more opportunities. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.